What is up, everybody? It's your girl Sienna here, and I hope you guys are all doing super duper good, real good. First off, keeping it real with you, start this vlog. This vlog is going to be like my kind of day vlog, so just the things that I like to do in my day off. First and foremost, coffee is essential. This is essential. I have just booked in to go and get my eyelash extensions done, and I think I'm gonna get my brows shaped. I've got enough in my budget to get my nails done, but I haven't had these done for so long. Not like frivolous with money. I'm really not. And if you don't know that by now, you obviously have not seen my other videos. That's all I'll say. Sold some of our equipment we haven't been using, and I've got a little bit of money to play with. A bit of self-care, really. I'm also going to my new gym. I have not been to the gym for such a long time. I wasn't really comfortable at the gym that I was at. I'm really excited about getting back to the gym. Now, what I also am gonna try and do some groceries and make a really nice, healthy dinner for me and the family. You will be able to join me if you want to. If you want to come along with me today, then please just keep watching.
Soulmate is connected.
Thank you. Music, it's essential for me. What do we feel like? This is a... I am a real novice with operating camera, so please don't come for me. Alright guys, I'm gonna put my face on and yeah.
2 hours later.
Hi. Yeah, got rid of that intense winged eye makeup.
I only think about you and you only pick me up when she's not home, and that's why I can't get.
I think I did really well. It is 1:40, so I got myself organized in like 40 minutes. I made it on time, so I'm gonna head on in there, and I've just realized she's gonna end up wiping off my makeup anyway, so I shouldn't even have worried. I should have just literally just come with my makeup still up there, because she would have wiped it off anyway for me. But anyway,
Inches later.
I wasn't able to vlog in there just for privacy reasons, so that's so okay. These are my lashes, and I love them. You obviously saw what they were like this morning, so thank you, Bella. Bella did them from Bamboo Nails and Spa. I will leave all the details in the description below. I'm gonna head off to Coles and get my dinner shopping, and then head home and get into some, I don't even know. Let's do it.
Why should it end? Baby, I could have been. I could have been him or your friend. Just it wouldn't make a trip, make a wish, be one of wish. Should have been it, should, could have, would have been. Yeah, I would have been. Yeah, I would have been. Yeah, could have been. No, I'm holding it in. I know I'm holding it in. Dream about, I think about love. We could have been. We could have been. We could have been.
Alrighty, so how's it looking? does look a bit like shepherd's pie, yeah? Yeah. It's actually pretty good.
Oh, that is amazing.
Okay, well, yeah, no, that's a win. That is a win. And we're gonna go and eat with our family now, so bye. Yeah, so we cooked our dinner last night, ate dinner, had some dessert, and then I crashed out. So I didn't get around to going down to the gym and activating my membership, so I'm gonna do that today. And you guys can come along with me. Good morning, Melly. Okay guys, so this is my look of the day, my outfit of the day. Yes! So yeah, that's going to be me today.
So here we are on our way to Westfield. Mom driving, just about to head off. We're gonna just have lunch and explore the place. She's always gonna check out the new gym, Good Life. Yeah. The Good Life Club. I know where it is, so I'll see you when we get there.
Baby, first time you put your arms around me, I'm up, I'm missing. Thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me what could you do if I decide to face the truth. It could be fun.
Thank you very much. Yes!
Only hit me up when she's not home, and that's why I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we tried to pretend. Now and again, we don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. Then again, 'cause I know in the end, dream about, don't think about what we could have been. We could have been.
You sure?
Santa's funny. Look at this.
Where everyone was looking at me.
Because you're
Not a
cute.
normal thing to stand in front of two.
Alright. Do you wanna sit on Santa's lap?
Somebody if you gotta hide it, what's the point of trying? I ain't just your friend, or what's the point of lying, trying to say?
I really like it. I can't wait to get started. Cheers.
Are you starting today?
I don't know. Maybe not because you're here, so no, I probably won't be able to do anything. I have done my membership, so I'm all registered and everything like that. And you know, when it's my kind of day, we just roll with it. And so Josh and I are going to go to the movies. They have got a promo on at the moment where it's $12 to go before 5 o'clock today. So we're going to go and watch. What are we watching?
The Nutcracker and 4 rounds.
4 rounds. Okay, there we go.
4.
So we got changed very quickly. And we came home and fed our cats, and now we're gonna go. All right. So I ran out of battery before, so that's why I jumped on my phone. But yeah, we're off to the movies and got an even better deal than what I originally thought for the movies. We got this from the gym. It's $10 tickets today before 5. So
it's only $20?
So yeah, it's even cheaper, which you know me already, guys. You know me by now. I'm here for the deals. All right, so I'm just gonna drop in and quickly grab some snacks. Your girl loves a budget. I'm gonna get me some of these. Yep. Some dark chocolate. Got back from the movies, and yeah, it was really cool. It was a cool movie date with my son. Now, in case I didn't mention it earlier in this vlog, that is my youngest. That's my son Joshua.
Get the gym.
Who chose that?
Not me.
You might make this for your lunch.
I'll make this for your breakfast for the gym.
Oh, yes, please.
Can you open it? Because I don't want to splash all over me.
More than likely see a lot more of him in my vlogs. So yeah, that's just, I'm just gonna wrap up this vlog now. It did go over a couple of days, but those are just a few things that I like to do, like on, you know, like my day off, or like I said, it's my kind of day basically. And then more than likely I would end the day off with some editing. So if I don't fall asleep and if I don't have a lazy nap, I will jump into some editing. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more vlogs from me, I'd love for you to give this video a like and a comment and subscribe for more. But I will see you in my next video. Bye.
A few moments later.
I have to add this in. This is definitely another thing that is a part of my kind of day, is just cuddles with my cats. Like this is just, there's no words.
One eternity later.
Morning, guys. It is currently 4:55 in the morning, and that's just not really the times that I operate. But and it's day 3 actually. We're going on day 3 of this vlog now. I must be feeling pretty confident. I know I was gonna finish it up yesterday, but I've got a few things I've got to do today, so I'm just gonna vlog it. And it may add it in, or I may not, I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm up early because sugars. Because I'm taking my son and my girlfriend down to the airport. They are flying to Melbourne for a few days for his birthday. So yeah, they fly out 7:25. So yeah, we're gonna head off and take them down to the airport very shortly. But you know that I'm gonna be getting me some coffee on the way there. That's just a given.
My parents over here, Kevin 10 and Sienna Rose 10.
Hey.